GS Yuasa are the world's #1 battery manufacturer for industrial, automotive and motorcycle applications, with a global turnover in excess of $3 billion and over 12,000 employees engaged in manufacturing, sales and distribution on 5 continents. Our batteries are the preferred choice of vehicle and motorcycle manufacturers worldwide and are fitted as OEM parts to the majority of marques. A battery is an electrochemical device that converts chemical energy to electrical energy. The chemical that brings a battery to life is a solution of sulfuric acid and distilled water called electrolyte. Electrolyte contains both negatively and positively charged particles called ions. It's the reaction between the electrolyte and the lead plates in the battery that sets off a chemical change and an exchange of ions, which in turn creates the electrical charge in the battery. During the discharge cycle, the negatively charged ions are transferred from the electrolyte to the negative plates, and then travel out through the negative terminal in the form of electrons into the electrical components of the vehicle, and then back into the battery's positive terminal where they're accepted by the positive plates. This process is reversed during the battery charge cycle, where the ions are driven out of the positive plates and back into the electrolyte, ready for the next discharge cycle requirement.